Every grain of sugar begins its journey in these fields.
Timing the harvest is the first critical decision. Each cut must be clean to protect sugar content.
Freshness matters from the very first second. Machines scale what hands begin. Speed meets precision in modern harvesting. Unwanted material is removed immediately. Only usable cane continues forward. Weight and volume are constantly measured.
It's full! Overloading risks loss before processing.
The countdown to refining has begun. Moisture levels reveal sugar quality.
Even loads protect cane during transit.
Protection begins before the road. Every ton is logged before departure. From soil to steel, the journey shifts.
Distance now threatens freshness.
The refinery awaits the harvest. Speed now becomes the enemy of spoilage. Every minute preserves sweetness or loses it. Human judgment still guides the process.
Stability protects the harvest. Scale demands coordination. Farms give way to factories. The destination draws near.
Precision replaces speed.
Raw materials meet infrastructure. Energy drives the transformation ahead.
Every entry is controlled.
The harvest crosses a threshold.
Industrial rhythm takes over.
Order prevents loss.
Data follows every load.
Accuracy begins before unloading. Each figure shapes production planning. Now the refinery takes control. Here, raw cane meets controlled power. Every entry is designed for flow. Nothing stops moving once inside.
Pressure is always managed.
Permission is precise.
Positioning protects equipment and people. Safety locks movement in place.
Everything aligns before release.
Gravity becomes the first processor.
Flow replaces force. The refinery's mouth opens.
Air is controlled as tightly as solids.
The internal journey begins.
Human oversight never leaves the loop.
Flow is constantly balanced.
Consistency protects efficiency.
The outside world falls away.
Control replaces nature. The next stage waits. Cleaning begins before extraction.
Field contamination is stripped away. Waste exits as quickly as it arrives.
Only clean material moves forward.
Gravity assists precision.
Nothing unwanted is ignored.
Light material is removed instantly.
Airflow becomes a sorting tool.
Hidden hazards are eliminated. Protection happens before damage.
Human eyes remain essential. Quality starts with exclusion.
Uniformity prepares extraction. Moisture preservation is critical.
Data now replaces guesswork.
Clean input protects every machine ahead.
The cane is ready.
Extraction begins with force and control.
Pressure releases what the plant holds.
Sweetness finally emerges.
Nothing here goes to waste. Extraction feeds the next system. Sugar is pulled out in stages.
Water recovers what pressure misses.
Liquids move faster than solids. The system never stops flowing. Heat prepares the juice for cleaning. Precision temperature protects sugar.
Now impurities can be separated.
Waste becomes energy.
The factory fuels itself.
Balance defines efficiency. Purification is about to begin.
Nature helps separate itself.
Clean juice moves on.
Impurities are left behind.
Concentration begins with heat.
Water starts to leave.
Energy is reused again and again.
Concentration without burning.
Nothing is wasted. Pressure controls boiling point.
Sugar grows denser.
Gravity assists the flow. Now structure begins.
Crystals need a beginning. Time replaces force. Order forms, molecule by molecule.
Stability defines crystal size.
Sugar takes its final shape. Separation is next.
Speed replaces stillness.
Forces divide solid from liquid. Speed completes the separation.
Byproducts have value too.
Purity improves with every pass. Solid sugar moves on.
Automation never sleeps.
Moisture is measured in real time.
Data drives every decision.
Machines respond instantly.
Moisture must disappear. Heat is precisely controlled. Uniform drying prevents clumping. Water leaves the system. The product stabilizes. Temperature drops carefully. Safety remains constant. Systems are always verified. Production stays continuous. Final refinement begins. Precision shapes the final product. Uniformity defines quality. Each piece finds its correct path. Consistency is monitored constantly. Mixing guarantees even texture. Mechanical hands perfect natural output.
Moisture levels are critical to flow.
Temperature stabilizes crystals for the next step. Color consistency ensures purity. Defects are eliminated automatically. Flow is continuous and uninterrupted. Every gram is controlled. Automation ensures efficiency and hygiene. Packaging locks in quality. Precision guarantees customer trust. Identification accompanies every unit. Everything now moves toward completion. Even perfection demands verification.
Controlled environments maintain standards.
Samples flow in constantly from production. Every batch is represented.
Precision instruments detect the smallest variance. Uniformity ensures flow and quality. Even color is a benchmark of purity.
Chemical integrity is always confirmed. Digital records leave no margin for error.
Defects never proceed unnoticed.
Redundancy safeguards confidence.
Traceability accompanies every unit. Records endure for safety and compliance.
Quality approval returns products to the line.
Every parameter is monitored continuously. Lab validation completes the cycle of trust. The final journey begins here. Each bag holds exact weight and quality. Packaging locks in safety and freshness. Traceability accompanies every unit. Precision ensures customer trust. Order is maintained to the last unit.
Protection extends beyond the bag. The bagged.
Storage readies the product for journey. Every move is calculated for efficiency. Dispatch is the final link in production.
Products leave the facility ready for market. Safety continues until delivery.
The journey reaches beyond the walls. Scale and organization meet at every corner. The refinery transforms harvest into commerce.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.
Scale, precision, and safety define production. Products are now on their way to markets worldwide. Every stage synchronized in a seamless journey.